You've purchased your Canva template, and this is how you load it into your Canva account. After purchasing a template, you'll receive an email containing a downloadable file. Open the file to locate a link, which is specifically provided for accessing your Canva template. Click on this link to proceed, and it will direct you to a web page like this, displaying a preview of your purchase design. Remember, what you see on this page is just a preview of your design. It's not the actual editable template. To access and edit your template, look for the button located towards the bottom of the page, and it will say something like Use Template for New Design. Clicking on it will import the template into your Canva account. If you are not logged in, you will be requested to sign up for Canva at this time, so it's easier just to be logged into Canva. And the template will open in Canva's editor, allowing you to customize it as you see fit. Also, this action automatically saves the template to your Canva account. Click on the next video where we'll go through how to edit the text.